Ester oil. $2 per oil change. That engine your mechanic said was finished at 150,000 miles, running at 300,000 with zero internal wear. That Toyota taxi in Thailand with over 1 million kilometers on the original engine. That Honda in Japan still running factory specification compression at 500,000 miles. That Nissan diesel in rural Australia that has not been rebuilt since the 1980s. None of these engines were lucky. None of them received extraordinary maintenance. Every single one of them used the same $2 chemistry that Japanese engineers discovered in the 1960s, and that the $300 billion Western motor oil industry has spent 60 years ensuring never appears on any oil change recommendation, any dealership service menu, or any mainstream automotive maintenance guide. Ester oil. A synthetic base oil derived from organic acid chemistry that bonds to metal surfaces at a molecular level, reduces friction by 40% compared to conventional petroleum oil, and survives temperature extremes that destroy standard synthetic oil within months. Japanese automakers, Toyota, Honda, Nissan, have factory-filled their highest performance engines with ester chemistry since the 1970s. The engines those vehicles produce are documented running past 500,000 miles on original internal components. Western oil companies sell you a product that degrades in 3,000 miles and needs replacement every 3 months. That gap between a $2 additive and a $5,000 engine rebuild is the calculation they have spent 60 years making sure you never perform. This is the forbidden grid. They buried the science. We dig it up. If you have ever been told your engine was worn out, if you have paid for an engine rebuild, or if you change your oil every 3 months because the sticker on your windshield tells you to drop the word engine in the comments, subscribe and hit the bell. The suppression section of this video will permanently change how you look at every oil change you have ever paid for. The global motor oil market generates over $300 billion in annual revenue. Valvoline, Castrol, Pennzoil, and Mobil, the 4 brands that dominate Western oil change culture, collectively sell billions of quarts of conventional and synthetic petroleum oil every single year on a 3,000 to 5,000 mile replacement cycle. That replacement cycle, and change your oil every 3 months or 3,000 miles, is the foundation of a $300 billion industry. It is also a recommendation that has not been supported by independent engineering research since the 1980s. Modern engines running modern synthetic oil do not need oil changes every 3,000 miles. Independent tribology research, the science of friction and lubrication, consistently shows that high-quality synthetic oil maintains its protective properties for 15,000 to 25,000 miles in normal driving conditions. The 3,000-mile recommendation exists because it generates 12 to 16 oil changes per year per vehicle instead of 2. That is the complete engineering justification for the sticker on your windshield. Now, here's the number the oil industry needs you to never calculate. Japanese domestic market vehicles, cars sold and operated in Japan using Japanese market lubricants, show documented average engine lifespans 40 to 60% longer than equivalent Western market vehicles using Western market lubricants. Same engines, same maintenance intervals, different chemistry. And the chemistry difference is $2 per oil change. But before I show you exactly what that chemistry is and exactly how it works, you need to understand why Japanese engineers discovered something that Western oil companies had every financial reason to suppress. Quick note before we continue. Ester oil additives are compatible with all standard synthetic and conventional motor oils. Always use the correct viscosity oil specified for your vehicle. Do not exceed the recommended additive ratio. More is not better with friction modifiers. Check your vehicle owner's manual for any specific oil specification requirements before adding any additive. This applies particularly to some newer vehicles with wet clutch systems or specific transmission oil requirements. The additive described is safe for standard gasoline and diesel engines when used as directed. Ester chemistry was first developed for aviation lubrication in the 1940s. Aircraft jet engines operate at temperatures and pressures that destroy conventional petroleum oil within hours. Aviation engineers needed a lubricant that could survive extreme heat, maintain viscosity under pressure, and provide reliable protection across temperature ranges from negative 50 degrees at altitude to over 300 degrees in the combustion zone. Synthetic ester oil, derived from organic acid and alcohol chemistry rather than refined crude petroleum, provided all 3 properties. By the 1950s, ester-based lubricants were standard in jet engines worldwide. Japanese automotive engineers adopted ester chemistry for high-performance road engines in the 1960s. Honda's Formula One program in the late 1960s used ester-based lubricants as the foundation of their engine protection strategy. Toyota's engineering division documented ester oil's friction reduction properties in internal research throughout the 1970s. By the 1980s, ENEOS, Japan's largest petroleum company, was producing ester-blended motor oils for the Japanese domestic market that incorporated MODTC friction modifier chemistry. MODTC, molybdenum dithiocarbamate, is an organometallic compound that bonds to metal surfaces under heat and pressure, creating a permanent low-friction molecular layer that reduces metal-to-metal contact by up to 40%. The combination of ester base oil and MO-DTC friction modifier is the chemistry that Japanese engineers had been documenting in high-mileage engine research for 20 years before Western oil companies acknowledged it existed. By the 1990s, INEOS ester blend motor oils were factory specified for Toyota's highest performance engines. Honda's VTEC engineering program referenced ester chemistry in their lubrication specifications. Independent Japanese automotive researchers were documenting engine compression measurements on high-mileage vehicles, using ester chemistry that showed wear rates dramatically lower than equivalent Western market engines. The research was published in Japanese engineering journals. It was known to every major oil company in the Western world. And the $300 billion Western oil industry understood with complete clarity what ester chemistry and extended drain intervals represented to a business model built on 12 oil changes per year. Stay with me because what the industry did next was not complicated. It was simply very effective. Step 1. This is the specification detail that determines your result. Check your oil fill cap or owner's manual for your vehicle's oil specification, specifically whether it calls for a low SAPS oil. Low SAPS means low sulfated ash, phosphorus and sulfur, a specification for vehicles with diesel particulate filters or gasoline particulate filters. Some friction modifier additives contain phosphorus compounds that can damage particulate filters over time. For vehicles with particulate filters, use only a certified low SAPS compatible additive. For all other vehicles, the majority of cars on the road, standard ester additives and friction modifiers are fully compatible. Step 2. Add the ester additive at your next regular oil change, not between oil changes. The additive works with fresh oil to establish the protective molecular layer on engine surfaces during the first heat cycle after the oil change. Adding to degraded oil reduces effectiveness because the existing oil contamination competes with the additive chemistry for surface bonding sites. Step 3. After adding the additive, drive the vehicle for a minimum of 20 minutes of varied driving, including highway speed operation, within the first day of treatment. The MODTC and ester chemistry requires heat and pressure to activate the surface bonding process. The protective layer forms during the first heat cycle and remains bonded to the metal surface through subsequent oil changes. Step 4. Extend your oil change interval. This is the step the quick lube industry needs you to never take. With ester-based synthetic oil and a friction modifier additive, your oil change interval based on independent engineering research is between 10,000 and 15,000 miles under normal driving conditions. Change your oil filter at 5,000 miles if you choose to maintain a shorter interval. But the oil itself, with quality synthetic base and ester additive chemistry, does not need replacement at 3,000 miles. It never did. Step 5. Monitor your engine oil level between changes. Extended drain intervals require that the oil level remains adequate throughout the interval. Check oil level every 2,000 miles. Top up with the same oil specification if needed. An engine that consumes no oil between changes, which most healthy engines do, will complete a 15,000-mile interval on the original fill without issue. The most documented proof of ester chemistry engine longevity is the Japanese taxi fleet record. Tokyo taxi operators, who subject their vehicles to the most demanding urban driving conditions in the developed world, have documented average engine replacement intervals that exceed those of equivalent Western market taxi operations by 40 to 60%. A 2018 analysis of Toyota Crown taxi fleet data from major Japanese cities showed average engine life before major rebuild exceeding 450,000 kilometers. Equivalent Toyota Crown taxis operating in Western markets on conventional oil change schedules showed average engine rebuild intervals of 250 to 300,000 kilometers. Same engine, same maintenance schedule, frequency, different oil chemistry. The Western market vehicles were changed at shorter intervals using conventional Western market synthetic oil. The Japanese market vehicles used INEOS ester blend oil on the Japanese domestic market specification. The difference in documented engine longevity was 40 to 80% in favor of the ester chemistry vehicles. In the American market, a documented case from a fleet operator in the American South covers a fleet of 38 delivery vehicles, switched from conventional synthetic oil on a 5,000-mile change interval to ester-blended synthetic on a 12,000-mile interval, beginning in 2016. Over 6 years of operation, the fleet showed 0 catastrophic engine failures, compared to 3 engine replacements in the 6 years prior on conventional oil. Total oil change, cost for the fleet over 6 years, decreased by 62% due to the extended drain interval. Engine wear measurements taken at 150,000 miles showed internal clearances within factory specification on every fleet vehicle. The ester chemistry does not charge a rebuild rate. The friction modifier does not invoice by the cylinder. Toyota has been building engines in Japan since 1937. The engines those cars produce regularly exceed 500,000 miles on original internal components. Western mechanics call those results exceptional. Japanese engineers call them expected. The difference between an engine that lasts 150,000 miles and an engine that lasts 500,000 miles is not the engine. It is not the maintenance frequency. It is the $2 chemistry that Japanese engineers have been putting in their oil since the 1960s, while Western oil companies were designing a business model around how many times per year they could get you back to the quick lube bay. That math, 12 oil changes versus 2 for 60 years across hundreds of millions of vehicles, is the calculation that $300 billion in annual revenue was built to prevent you from ever performing. You just performed it. That is the forbidden grid.